Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It's my honor to be here back to Barcelona for our GTI workshop after 5 years. Today, I'm excited to talk about the integrating AI into mobile communication system. We have seen AI is moving very fast in the past several years, and today we are bringing AI into wireless communication. So the collaboration of wireless AI, wireless communication and AI can sparking a new round of innovation because AI and wireless communication can bring comprehensive strengths to each other. In our previous, when we design a wireless communication system, we always start from simplify the physical world into some mathematical models, and based on these models, we design the system to optimize the transmission, the channel activation, and the signal detection. In most of the scenario, the model fit into the physical world very well, so our communication works in most of the scenarios. But there are still some special case that are not easy to handle. For example, how to handle the non-linear factors in the on the transmitter part and also in the channel, how to optimize the destroyed signal caused by the reflection and the scatter, and also how to manage the beamforming to improve the signal quality that become challenging in today's design. Particularly when it may be not an issue when the system designed for the man-to-man communication, because the working area of human is still limited. But when we extend 5G into various vertical applications, we have to care about some scenarios that have been considered as corner case in the very beginning. So it takes a lot of engineering effort to optimize this corner case, for example, to cover the signal propagation, to improve the coverage and improve the link reliability. But on the other hand, we think AI can offer a new opportunity to help us to solve this corner case, because AI is data-driven and is pretty flexible and precise. So they can use the labeled data directly from the physical world, and can use the data training model to summarize the knowledge and predict what we need to do in the system. So the AI will trigger a new wave of innovation for mobile communication. So we think the AI can improve mobile communication in several domains, from the network planning to improving the service experience, from the connect side to the run side and the terminal side. On call network part, today we already witnessed some autonomous operation system, just as the previous presentation, the infrastructure vendor talked about. And on the radio part, with today some AI-enabled the run intelligent controller start already use the AI function to manage the operation of the run level, and is also use AI-based engine to minimize the interference across node and across users. The role of AI to enable the air interface, we can use AI to do some innovation on channel coding, waveform design, multiplex access, and so on. So today we also can do some AI-based function on the terminal side, for example, the beamforming and channel state information. So I will talk it in detail. So one thing I think is often overlooked by the industry is how the AI running on the device can transform in the 5G end-to-end performance. I think the core of AI can improve the whole system, improve the performance is from the radio awareness. Just as I said earlier, previously our design is based on the summarized channel model and use a fixed algorithm to handle the system. But now, based on AI, we can leverage the data collected from the real world to optimize the system to improve the performance. So that's a totally different design. But on AI side, on the terminal side, the terminal is really good place to better understand the radio signal around the device. And based on that, we can train the model to adapt to the radio scenario to improve the user experience and to improve the system performance. So the AI is not a distant future. Actually, they already integrated to today's 5G modem. So last year in MWC, Qualcomm announced our Snapdragon X75 platform that is equipped with the second generation AI engine. With the AI hardware acceleration, we use the X75 reached 10 gigabits per second peak data rate in last year during the IMT 2020 PD test in China. They push the cellular communication into an area of the 10 gigabits per second. Also, with the AI-based millimeter wave beamform management, can significantly improve the signal power by 20%. That is very important to maintain the reliability of the millimeter wave system. Also, our second generation GNS location system that is empowered by the AI engine, we can improve the location tracking accuracy by 50%. So that's just the beginning. So we think more and more AI-based design will be announced soon. We are looking forward new products being published, announced next week MWC. So we already talked about how, based on today's 5G modem, how we try to implement AI to optimize the system based under today's standard. But AI can do something more. So therefore, 3GPP release 19 start investigating some special case to use AI for some to improve the system performance, including the channel feedback, beam management, and preset positioning. This kind of low-hanging fruit, but can bring direct benefit to the 5G. So I will talk them in detail. First, let's have a look at the channel state information. So the traditional way of the channel state information is the terminal received the reference signal and use some equally quantized the CSI table to label the system and report the CSI back to the network side. But because the system is equally quantized, we have lost some detailed information of the channel. But with AI, we can train the model to do some non-linear compression. So we can do some more elaboration on the key part that can really impact the system performance. So use the same, when the CSI table will report back to the base station. The base station use the same non-linear model to regenerate the channel, and based on that to detect, to schedule the system to improve the performance and capacity. Also, we can train the AI engine to make it optimizing the multi-user multiplexing to further minimize the interference. So that means we not only consider the user itself, but also take the other users into consideration to improve the CSI feedback. The second thing is millimeter wave beam management based on the machine learning. It's the same concept. The terminal receives the reference signal, and based on that, to determine the beam information, including the index and the strength, and report back to the base station. And base station, based on some earlier trained model, to regenerate the change of the beam and predict the change of the beam. Based on that, to manage the beam scheduling to ensure the reliability during the mobility. This technique is very important to maintain to improve the reliability for the millimeter wave system. The third use case is the AI-based positioning and RF sensing. So in this case, we fit many information we can collect at the terminal site from the GNSS location information to the positioning measurement information like the RTT, AOA, and also the sensor, the information collected by the sensor on the device, and also the how can I say, the channel profile, that's the channel the delay distribution measured by the device. We input all this information into the AI engine and have the AI engine to train so that it can infer in the accurate location for the device. This feature is very important for the when we bring 5G to the vertical. So previously, we in the very beginning of the 5G, we further enhanced the positioning signal, that is the evolution from the 4G. But we have to say the widespread adoption is limited, just because the previous generation of the signal to use that we have to largely leverage the very complicated site engineering things, because we need to know the very precise location of the transmitter, and also sometimes we need the very strict synchronization of the timing and even the phase between each transmitter site. That has been a huge engineering effort, and it's not that easy to maintain the service quality at the time going. But with the AI-based solution, we can train the model with the real-time ground truth information, collect the data collected on the field, and then adjust the model to have the model keep changing to adapt to the change of the working environment to always generate the accurate location information. So in 3GPP release 19, we are keep studying some, just as I said, we start thinking some the simple use case. But looking forward, when we as we consider the 6G design, we try to introducing AI into everywhere. I mean, across the terminal and the network side, and we can hope the machine learning can autonomously run between the network and terminal side for all layers and all protocols. So in this way, we can make a native AI-based 6G design that will bring more intelligent and effective operation of the 6G system. So last, let's talk something about the generative AI. So we have seen the explosive growth of generative AI in just 1 year. Also, earlier last year in Barcelona, Qualcomm showcased the world's first device-based stable distribution model. So I think I want to say, the generative AI is not only a cloud-based service. Actually, we can also leverage the computing power of today's smartphone to run the generative AI on device to improve, to provide better user experience. For example, for this, how can I make it run? I'm not quite sure. Yeah, there is some animation to show it, but the key part is in the beginning of last year, we showcased stable distribution on an Android device. But after nearly 1 year of optimization, Qualcomm optimized the full AI stack, and by end of last year, now we can generate 515 by 515 image in just 0.6 seconds. It's very quick. If we can have the video, we can see it. We can generate the image very, very quick. But later, we can also leverage the generative AI capability in the safety system to use the GAI to, more accurate predict the change of the channel to further improve the reliability of the system. Okay, today we are excited to bring the AI into wireless communication and trigger a new era of wireless AI. Starting from the release 18, we are entering the area of wireless AI, focusing on some applications that can bring direct benefit to 5G. Looking forward, we are excited about 6G will become AI native system and promising more intelligent and effective communication. That's all from my side. Thanks for your attention.
Thanks, Mr. Li. Any question?
I have a question. Thank you for the very interesting speech. My question is, you just mentioned for the AI, it supports the positioning to make it more accurate and simple. So I don't know if this can support the indoor positioning accuracy, because outdoor we have GPS, we know, but for indoor we think we need a good positioning solution.
Very good question. Thanks for your ask. I think I missed that part. Actually, this release 18 AI-based positioning is specially designed for indoor application, particularly for the tensive non-line of sight scenario. So the answer is yes.
Okay, thank you. Good news.